So I've got the hose in ready to go. That's the cavity that I'm filling. It's about 200mm thick. So I've just opened up the little bit of bottle brush so you can see now. I'm going to hit the trigger. Oh, there we go. Fix off the other way. Gotta push this thing. But you can see how ferocious it was coming out. And watch, this will start pushing this out as it starts to build pressure. The benefit of this is it allows all the fibre to blow through. All the air to blow through, but not the fibre. So I'll get this next one. See, it's compacting down, pushing. As you can see, the pressure of it just pushes it out of every little crevice, any holes, any spot there's a little bit of a gap. It'll blow air out of it and then it will fill the gap. There we go, done. So now if I pull this, yeah, she's all packed in there nice and tight. I won't disturb it anymore.